He got a fish! He got a fish!
In this video, we start with a big catch of sea bass in Morocco. Close to the island, we meet a local fisherman who shows us how to catch worms, the secret bait. After that, we will go to the rocks to catch the octopus. And finally, we bring everything together, showing you how we clean, prepare, and cook the fish into a special meal from South Africa.
Hello, this is Yassmine and...
Lloyd, salam and welcome to our channel.
Alright, our channel is about fishing and about cooking. So, welcome to our channel. And we're gonna show you our friend.
Snoopy. Salam alaikum, Snoopy.
We went to the beach of Yassmine in Mohammedia, Morocco, and headed toward a small rocky island. The tide was very low, so we were able to simply walk across and reach it.
There is low tide. المهابط دابا. وجيت ندير. صافي حنايا وصلنا.
Morning guys, early at the beach. By Mohammedia, we're gonna try and catch some rotal and some octopus. And yalla, let's go.
The weather was perfect, calm, sunny, and just right for exploring. Once we got there, we picked up a long metal rod and started searching between the rocks, carefully looking for anything hidden inside. After checking a few spots, we finally found something. And yes, we caught an octopus.
Duda Morocco.
While we were still exploring near the island, we met a local fisherman collecting worms to use as bait. The tide was very low, and you could clearly see the ground under just a few centimeters of water. He showed us how he spots the worms, by carefully looking for the small head coming out of the sand. Then he puts salt on it, because the worms don't like it. As soon as they react and start to come out, he quickly uses his tool to grab them and pull them out of the sand. It was really impressive to watch. He collected a lot of worms like that, one after another. He told us he uses them for fishing, for himself, and also for his friends. He just loves fishing that much. The best part is that he even took the time to teach us his technique, showing us step by step how to catch them.
I'm gonna show you now what's happening when it's low tide. There is no water now.
It's low tide, we went to catch the rotal, but we catch whale.
We catch one.
One small one.
Yeah, that's good for fishing. We're gonna use it to catch what? What fish?
Dre, corvin, srecha, كل شيء.
صافي شكرا. غادي ناخدو داك الروطه اللي صيدنا وغادي نصيدو به على الدوراد ولا على الدرعي. What you doing?
I'm gonna give Sahbi some hoops.
Our friend lives on the island, a dog who was born there and has always stayed, surrounded by the sea and the rocks. As soon as he saw us, he came over, happy and excited, like always. We brought him some food, a sandwich with sardines and bread, and he stayed close to us, enjoying every moment.
We're going home now. We're gonna take some breakfast, and then we're gonna go to the second place, T4. We're gonna take the roads and go there.
This is the lure that we used yesterday that Yassmine caught the fish on. It's a bucktail jig from South Africa. So just before I use it, I take some spit and put some spit on it. And then it keeps the profile rather than throwing it without putting anything on it. So inshallah we'll catch something today. Nadi kanadi.
Alright, this is my small rod. I'm gonna start spinning now and see how it goes.
So this is the lure I'm going to use. It's a paddle tail, like a pearl blue. And yeah, I've got a 20-pound leader on here. So that's what I'm going to use to try and catch a sea bass.
Good luck.
Shukran.
We moved to another location, Tayfor Beach, a place that is not easy to access. The area feels remote and untouched, with a quiet atmosphere shaped by the ocean. Lloyd began spinning, casting his line steadily into the water. The rhythm was calm and patient, each cast blending into the sound of the waves.
He got a fish! He got a fish! He got a fish! He got a fish! He's got a fish!
After a few attempts, the calm shifted. There was a reaction on the line. He had a catch, a sea bass. It was his first sea bass, making the moment simple
Come on!
but meaningful.
Wait! Bravo!
How are you? How are you? Nice to see you. Good. Oh, mashallah.
Nice fish, Salam. لبس. Wait. Nice fish.
Good. Thank you. Oh, salam alaikum.
ليش؟
Huh? Hey, mashallah.
سلم خويا لبس.
نادي كنادي. It's my first sea bass.
قلت لي راه لويد غادي يضرب عليه شي حوت غنوض نصوره.
Congratulations.
Oh, my first one. Shukran. My first sea bass. That's win.
Yeah, congratulations.
Hey?
What's up, guys? I'm getting some fromage frais. Lloyd's still fishing there. We want to catch a second one. Inshallah. Yeah, so I'm just relaxing, eating some snacks. Lloyd went to see some friends. They fishing here also. And I'm just taking some sun. Lloyd put his fish in his bag. Or his we're going home now. Lloyd, you happy with your big fish?
Yes.
Hi.
Very happy. Shukran b'zaf. And I told you we're gonna catch one. Yesterday was your time, today's my time.
Alhamdulillah.
Mashallah.
Alhamdulillah. Lloyd راه فرحان بالحوتة ديالو. شوف اختي الغيطار بالفرحة. هزها فوق ظهره وغادي دابا غادي يوريها لك الرايفل. ايه اختي. I'm carrying the parasol, the umbrella. And Lloyd carrying his fish. Lloyd's very happy with his fish. Alhamdulillah.
نادي كنادي ديما مخرب.
ديما مغرب. Alright, we finished fishing and we're coming back home.
Sea bass we got today. Zwin, Nadi Kanadi, Kabir. On the spinning and faithful.
We arrived at home after a long day by the sea. Lloyd took care of everything, cleaning the fish, butterflying it with precision, preparing it step by step. Inspired by his culture, he turned the fresh catch into a rich, authentic South African dish, bringing the taste of the ocean straight to our table.
I'm gonna butterfly this fish and take 1/2 and 1/2 for 2 barbecues. That's a lot of fish.
How much this one costs in Morocco for 1 kilogram?
Who are you asking me?
Yeah.
I think 200 dirhams.
Nice.
So this is all the bones and everything. And even this part, also you cook it with it. There's still meat on it.
Alright.
Lloyd made a plan. He will cook half and keep the other half for a barbecue another day.
Guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to cook a curry, a fish curry. Yalla, let me show you. So I'm gonna put some olive oil first.
Garlic and onion.
And now we're gonna add some curry powder.
Start with garlic and onion. Then add fish spice and curry spice that he brought from South Africa.
The smell is amazing.
Some heat to let go of all the flavors. So the crab. Oh, that's not enough.
He put the crab on to boil, then added the vegetables to the pot.
I'm very excited to eat the fish like that. I never tried this dish and this is my first time. Lloyd, is this dish from where? From which country?
Like Durban,
This is
South Africa.
South African dish, especially from Durban.
He took out the small, sharp bones from the fish before cooking. Once the vegetables are almost ready, he cuts the fish into pieces and lets it cook for only about 5 minutes.
Just look 5 minutes and then khalas.
5?
Yeah.
Okay.
After that, he put the rice with a special spices and dried onion with the rice as assortment with the fish curry dish.
There is garlic hill and butter. So this is garlic butter. The sauce is for the crab. We add here fish spices.
The crab is ready, so he will prepare a sauce for the crab butter and garlic sauce.
We're gonna add some lemon. The smell is amazing.
The food is ready. Yassmine will taste it to see if her husband succeeded in making a nice dish. Yassmine is always excited to try South African food.
Bismillah. Super. Zwen. Very tasty.
What flavors you tasting there?
I'm tasting the fish, I'm tasting the curry, I'm tasting the vegetables.
And how is the fish? The texture?
It's cooked and yeah, it's tender, juicy, very tasty.
Our video has come to an end. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.